this video, I have an exciting announcement that I want to share with you. Hi, it's Karolyn. If you want to learn how to bake and decorate amazing cakes, then I would love for you to join me by hitting subscribe and the bell. So I have an exciting announcement for you guys. You have been asking me for so long about offering classes or live streams, and I finally put something together. So I just want to tell you guys really quick what I'm offering right now. If you don't know, I have a Buy Me a Coffee page where you guys can support me by buying me coffee, quote unquote coffee. It's $3 per coffee. Or I also have a membership program where up to now it was $5 a month just to support me on a monthly basis and get some free and discounted extras. The extras that I've released so far are my pound cake recipe book and my favorite numbers PDF. And there are more to come. However, I just added 2 more tiers to my membership plan. So I just wanted to review this with you guys. The base membership is $5 a month where, like I said before, you can support me on a monthly basis and get discounted and free extras. And the next tier is the cupcake tier, and that is $10 a month. And not only do you get to support me in my content creation and get free and discounted extras, but you also get access to an exclusive private Facebook group where we can share our cakes and get constructive criticism and help with any issues that you may have. We can build a community of supportive cake friends where you can bounce ideas off of each other. I will be very active in that Facebook group. And we will also be doing a couple live streams every month. The lives that I do will be based on your recommendations. If you want to do a question and answer period, if you want me to show you how to make marshmallow fondant, whatever it would be, I would let you know in advance what the live will be, and it'll all be based on your input. And then I added the ultimate dessert table tier, which you get all the mentioned perks before. You get to support me with my content creation, and you get some free extras. You get access to the exclusive Facebook group and the live streams. And I also threw in there one 15-minute phone call or Zoom call per month and exclusive email access. I'm going to give you an email address that nobody else will have. And if you have personal issues with your cakes or you need questions answered, you can email me and I will get back to you and help you with your cakes. The reason that I'm doing this is because I'm so grateful, first of all. Thank you so much. I would not be where I am without you, but I am getting inundated with message requests for help with your cakes. You don't know what size tiers to do. You need advice on what's going wrong, and I just don't have the time to personally answer everyone anymore, and I am so sorry, but this is the solution that I found that I could come up with and have this membership going on, which does help me to help you. Wait, what was that from? Help me to help you. Help me. Was that Jerry Maguire? Anyway, so I am super excited to offer this to you guys, and I am going to put the link in the description below. So what you could do is click the Buy Me a Coffee link. It'll take you to my page where you can go to the membership page and sign up for whatever membership that you would like. And if you join the cupcake or the dessert table tier, why is that so hard to say? There will be a link in the email that you get to the Facebook group, and you just want to click that link and then click join, and then I will add you to the group. So I am super excited, and I can't wait to help you guys along your cake decorating journey. And check the links below if you'd like to join. Thank you so much, guys. I love you and I appreciate all of you. And I hope to see you in the group. Bye.